Now we will talk about the Bhujanga Asana. Why the Bhujanga Asana can perform for one individual. If the one individual are doing the Bhujanga Asana, he can prevent from the diabetes or he can cure the diabetes in a first stage. So first of all we will talk about the Bhujanga Asana. In this asana, the shape of the body remains like a snack pose are called Bhujanga Asana. How to perform the Bhujanga Asana? Lie down on the belly on the ground, keep your hands near the shoulders, keep your legs close together. Now strengthen up your arms slowly, raise the chest, your hands should turn backwards, keep this position for some time. Then get back to the normal position. For the good result, perform this asana 3 to 5 times every day. The individual, those who are performing the Bhujanga Asana, there is a lots of advantage or benefit of the person. So now we are talking about the benefits for doing the Bhujanga Asana. Benefits. The first point, it reduces the obesity of the individual. While performing the Bhujanga Asana, the first benefit is to reduce the obesity of the individual. It provides the strength and agility of the individual. It cures the disorder of the urinary bladder. It's cure the disease of the liver. It's improve the blood circulation. It's make the vertebral column flexible and thin. It cure the constipations and indigestion of the individual. It strengthen the muscles of the hand. So while performing the Bhujanga Asana, these are the benefits for one individual. Now we will talk about the contraindications. The individual who is suffering from the hernia should not perform Bhujanga Asana. And the person, those who are suffering from the back pain or back injury should avoid such types of asana. Headache also. And recent abdominal surgery are also avoid the Bhujanga Asana. Now we will talk about the Pavan Muktasana. So first of all, the procedure of the Pavan Muktasana. Lie down on your back on a plain surface, keep your feet together and place your arm beside your body. Take a deep breath. When you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest. At the same time, press your thighs on your abdominal position. Hold the asana when you breathe normally. Even the time you inhale, ensure that you lose the grip. Inhale and release the pose after you rock and roll from the side to side about 3 times. This is the procedure to do the Pavan Muktasana. Now benefits for doing the Pavan Muktasanas. It enhances the blood circulation in a pelvic area. It helps to reduce the fat of the thigh and buttock and abdominal areas. It relieves from the constipation of the individual. Now contraindications. Individuals suffering from the piles should avoid this asana. The person, those who are suffering from the piles, they should not perform the Pavan Muktasana. The pregnant woman should also avoid the Pavan Muktasana. So these are the advantages and the benefits of the performing the Pavan Muktasana and Bhujangasana. So those who are doing in a regular or a daily basis, these asana can prevent from the diabetes or cure the diabetes when they perform the asana daily or regular basis. Thank you.